Whoa! Whoa! Guys, finally we get some American chicken. Whoa! Guys, wow! Looking at that. Wow! Guys, looking at that, guys. Whoa! Wow! Guys. Wow. 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 I'm blessed, y'all. Wow. I'm very blessed.
Yeah.
Wow, guys.
Night, I didn't sleep last night.
Look at
I
that.
was thinking about chicken wings. Last night, I didn't sleep last night. I was thinking
Whoa.
about chicken wings.
Looking at that, guys.
I got my mama in the middle of the night. I feel like mama.
Wow.
I need some chicken wings. Last night, I didn't sleep last night. I was thinking about some chicken wings.
Let's try that Thai right here. That Thai right here. It's a little bit better. I'm gonna go back so you can see that a little bit better, y'all. I was too close to it, so you can have a better view. Look at that piece. How beautiful it is. Whoa! I love it. Look at that. See guys? Look at that. Yep. How greasy it is. Got a grease on there. Still looking good, bruh. Tastes good too. You see that? One thing I like about it though, I don't have to fuss it to get the meat out. You just come out by itself. You see that? Just come out by itself. All I have to do is just sack on it, you see? That's what I like about it though. Just come out by itself. A lot of chicken, man, you have to fight with the chicken though. I don't have to fight with that one. Look. It's a nice piece right here, guys. Yep. Look at that. That piece right here, man. That's a nice piece right here. Oh. You're not going too long. Whoa. I feel nice, huh? Yeah. I'm blessed. Whoa. Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Wow. Chicken is well seasoned. You see, the season that come, man. Sometimes they don't season them though. The last one I had was very nasty. That one is not nasty, bro. The last one I had, it was very nasty. And it was very cold. That one is hot and well seasoned. That's the kind of stuff I like though. Yeah, that's the kind of stuff I like. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Wow. Mm-hmm. Get up this far here, y'all. Mm-hmm. Mm. Yeah. Mm. I like it though. Mm-hmm. Wow. That is a nice meal, y'all. Guys, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, guys. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Yeah. 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 So I'm out and I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, man, that was a nice meal. You know, I'm out.